welcome to my YouTube channel! My name's Canan and today I am testing the ultimate Paradise Extatic Mascara by Loréal. You guys, this has been waiting in like my makeup stash like forever, and today is the day I'm finally testing it! So if you want to see what it looks like on my lashes, then just keep on watching. Alrighty tighty, so this is what the package of the Loréal mascara looks like. This is the Paradise Extatic waterproof mascara. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited to try this one out. The package looks amazing, and as you can see, here is like a picture of like the before and after result, and I'm super excited to try this one out. It says intense volume, spectacular long lashes, pleasure to apply. And there's richness oil in here as well, and it promises us an ultra soft brush. So I'm a huge L'Oreal fan, especially their like mascaras are like super amazing. I haven't had one in like ages, so I'm super excited to try this one out with you guys. I really love the brush already because it looks like super thick and I don't know, fluffy. So let's just apply a first layer onto my lashes and see what it does. Oops, my fault, sorry. Ooh, it feels really nice. Especially during the summertime, I think waterproof mascaras are an essential we need. And this is what it looks like, guys. And of course I'm going to put it on the other eye as well. And it complements my eyes, you guys. Really does. It doesn't feel like too thick or anything on the lashes, which I like. Oh my gosh, you guys. It applies so smooth and so easily on lashes. The brush tip is super soft. It doesn't stick on your like lashes or annoy you or anything. L'Oreal did an amazing job with this, and it is waterproof. Like, what else do we need? Like, I'm a mermaid, right? I need waterproof mascara and nothing else. Well, why am I shaking it like it's a wand? Am I like Harry Potter-y like, or like, I don't even know. Well, that's it, you guys. I'm done. I'm done here right now because look at this. It looks so sweet on the lashes. Oh my gosh, I'm impressed, you guys. I'm impressed. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, give this video a huge thumbs up, please. That would make me so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already. Click that cute little bell as well to get notifications on whenever I post a new video, guys. And I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.